Welcome to our exciting new video, where we'll unveil the ultimate automotive secrets. Are you ready to discover 5 affordable cars that will not only save you money, but also make you look like $1,000,000? Buckle up as we explore the world of budget-friendly luxury, showcasing vehicles that redefine the notion that you need deep pockets to turn heads on the road. Get ready to elevate your style without breaking the bank. Mazda MX-5 Miata. The Mazda MX-5 Miata is a remarkable car that effortlessly combines affordability with an aura of luxury. Here's why it's your secret weapon for projecting sophistication on a budget. The MX-5 Miata's classic roadster style, sleek curves, and graceful proportions make it look like $1,000,000 no matter the price. Inside, you'll find a cabin that oozes quality, with premium materials and thoughtful design that rivals luxury sports cars. Its responsive steering, precise handling, and rear-wheel drive deliver a high-end driving experience without the high-end cost. The MX-5 Miata remains within reach for many and holds its value well over time, making it a smart investment. With various trim levels and features, you can tailor your MX-5 Miata to match your personal style and vision of luxury. The Mazda MX-5 Miata proves that sophistication doesn't have to come with a steep price tag. If you want to turn heads and feel rich while staying budget conscious, this car should be at the top of your list. Kia Stinger. The Kia Stinger is redefining the notion that luxury comes with a hefty price tag. Here's why this exceptional sedan is your ticket to a rich-looking ride on a budget. With its sleek profile and attention to detail, the Kia Stinger looks every bit the luxury car without the luxury price. Step inside to find premium materials, modern tech, and comfortable seating that rival far more expensive vehicles. Boasting powerful engines and sporty handling, the Stinger delivers a high-end driving experience at an affordable cost. The Kia Stinger offers a level of luxury, style, and performance that's a steal compared to luxury rivals. Loaded with advanced tech and safety features, the Stinger provides a rich ownership experience. Kia's renowned reliability comes with an industry-leading warranty, ensuring worry-free ownership. The Kia Stinger is the embodiment of affordable luxury. It combines striking design, a lavish interior, impressive performance, unbeatable value, rich features, and peace of mind. If you want to look rich without the financial strain, the Kia Stinger is your solution. Genesis G70. The Genesis G70 is a compelling paradox, offering an affordable ticket to a life of luxury. Here's why this sedan is your key to an opulent appearance without the hefty price tag. The G70's bold exterior design rivals luxury counterparts, making a statement wherever it goes. Step inside to experience premium materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and modern tech that equals high-end sedans. With powerful engines and dynamic handling, the G70 provides a thrilling ride that matches luxury sports cars. The G70 delivers luxury, comfort, and performance without the luxury price, offering exceptional value for money. Loaded with advanced tech and safety features, the G70 ensures a top-tier driving experience. Genesis backs its cars with a competitive warranty, providing peace of mind and a worry-free ownership experience. The Genesis G70 redefines affordable luxury, blending captivating design, opulent interiors, exhilarating performance, great value, rich features, and a strong ownership package. If you want to look rich without the budget strain, the G70 is your gateway to an elevated automotive lifestyle. Audi A3. The Audi A3 is the epitome of affordable luxury, allowing you to look rich without the premium price. Here's why it's your key to sophistication on a budget. The A3's elegant exterior design is timeless, making it appear far more expensive than it actually is. Step inside to find a high-end cabin with impeccable materials and craftsmanship that rivals pricier luxury cars. Compact but powerful, the A3 offers precise handling and an engaging driving experience often associated with luxury vehicles. It's your affordable entry into the prestigious Audi brand, offering the cachet of luxury without the hefty cost. Loaded with modern technology and safety features, the A3 enhances your driving experience and adds to its sophisticated allure. Audi's strong resale value ensures you can enjoy luxury without losing out financially. The Audi A3 is proof that luxury doesn't have to break the bank. With its timeless design, premium interior, performance, Audi prestige, advanced tech, and resale value, it's the perfect choice for projecting opulence on a budget. Elevate your status without financial strain with the Audi A3. Volkswagen Arteon. The Volkswagen Arteon is a standout sedan that effortlessly combines elegance with value, offering a rich appearance without the premium price tag. Here's why it's your ticket to an upscale image on a budget. The Arteon's bold exterior design rivals luxury cars, making a lasting impression wherever it goes. Step inside to discover a high-quality cabin with meticulous attention to detail that matches pricier counterparts. With responsive engines and a refined ride, the Arteon provides a taste of luxury car driving without the steep cost. Offering style, comfort, and performance that surpass its price, the Arteon delivers exceptional value. Well equipped with advanced tech and safety features, the Arteon enhances your driving experience and adds to its upscale appeal. Volkswagen's reputation for strong resale value ensures your investment retains its worth. The Volkswagen Arteon is the epitome of affordable luxury. Its striking design, premium interior, balanced performance, exceptional value, rich features, and strong resale value make it an ideal choice for projecting opulence without the financial strain. Elevate your image with the Volkswagen Arteon.